lost.
Diego, what have you done? You pissed off our ride.
Yeah.
We're in the middle of the desert now. Micah! Come help! Where is Micah?
I don't think we get any help anyhow.
Look at it. Where should we go now?
Don't know, just keep walking, I guess.
Yeah, where?
Wherever. Our next town.
Where is the next town? I don't see any next town.
Well, it could be around a couple of kilometres.
You sure you want to walk that? It's hot here.
Well, it's doable if the truck broke. Obviously.
What truck broke? You got chucked out of the truck.
Well, true.
You're lost.
Oh yeah, I see what you mean, so driven off. Okay.
Oh,
Oh well, never mind.
never mind. Will you lay on the floor again and
Huh?
go crazy like you did in the truck?
I don't know. Well, do we walk this way?
Right. But watch for snakes.
I don't see any snakes. I don't know what you want.
What? Looks like a house. I don't know. Oh, there's Micah's.
You don't know anything.
Micah's, you got any ideas on this?
Nope.
We're in the middle of the nowhere. I don't know what to do.
I blame him.
Yeah, he.
Got us lost again.
Never me.
Well, we got stuck out.
I know, you got us straight out of the hotel and stuck in the middle of nowhere. And you lost all my money.
What did he do? Was he gambling again?
Uh-huh.
No, you're gambled. You're one gambled.
I
Yeah.
haven't gambled at all. That's bad, isn't it?
Uh-huh.
You know, should we walk there or something?
Well, yeah, it's probably a good direction.
I guess we can go that way and see where we end up.
Yeah.
Somewhere else.
Just watch for snakes.
Oh no.
Watch the snake. I don't see any snakes. No.
Oh, that's right.